Hello, welcome to my first tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to build an improved automatic chicken farm. So improved meaning it has more functionality than the original you would all know. This is just a normal automatic chicken farm, but these two levers are added. There's an on and an off. Turn it on, it will push the slab in, breaking the lava in front of the dispenser, meaning that the eggs can get dispensed and the chickens can spawn without dying. So, but yeah, it's now in chicken mode, so it means that the dispenser still dispenses the chicken. If I put it on egg mode, the eggs will just go straight through to the hopper into this chest. See, as you can see there, these are a few old eggs of my testing earlier. So see, the chickens are laying eggs like crazy. See, the eggs are just coming in. So if I turn it back to chicken mode, I can place these eggs into the dispenser, and it dispenses the eggs, meaning the chickens will spawn. So yeah, if I turn it off, then those chickens will die. So how did I do this? I'll show you how to build it later. I'm just going to show you here what I did. As you can see, this is just your normal chicken farm. This I added for the effect because I liked it. So this is just your normal chicken farm with these are the extra bits. This piston is the one that pushes the slab in front of the lava, and this redstone, look, let's look at it. If I turn it on, this redstone will get powered, pushing this piston and deactivating this redstone torch. And if I put it on egg mode, this repeater activates, deactivating this redstone torch, deactivating this whole redstone line, meaning this hopper is no longer powered, that it can take the eggs out of the dispenser. So if I turn this on, if I turn it off, this redstone torch will get powered, powering this hopper, meaning that system is turned off too, regardless if I turn on or off chicken mode or egg mode. See? Now let me show you how to build it. So first of all, you just build your normal chicken farm. Slab like this. Then I can place a hopper on top of this. I can place these blocks like this. These are just to keep the chicken from jumping out. Spawn in some chicken. And I close this off. Now if you're in survival mode, you would throw the eggs in there and hope for the chickens to spawn. You have to also place this 2x3 area for the automatic dispensing. Now this is finished, this part, the building part, I'll do the redstone part now. So for the redstone, I am going to place add me some walls. Yeah, this should be enough. And then I take this block, place a sticky piston there, add this block again, add some lava up there, just power this to the piston to retract the slab. I can add another hopper here. You'll see why that is in a moment. Then I can add 2 blocks like this. Redstone dust here. Redstone repeater. Redstone repeater here. Just block. Redstone torch, redstone torch. Take out these blocks. Place redstone dust all along there. And add repeater. And then for the automatic dispensing, place a comparator, put it in a subtract mode. Remember to put it in subtract mode. Like this. Redstone dust. Another comparator. This one should not be in subtract mode. Redstone dust. So that's this part complete. Now I can take the levers, place them here and here, 2 blocks from your glass piece. The glass piece is there, so the baby chickens in here will not run out, but you can still open the chest. Anyways, now your system is done, and you can also take some signs and label it if you want. So this is off. This is egg mode. This is chicken mode. So if I take myself some eggs and I you will see that they just go straight over to so yeah, that's my improved design. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, and please consider subscribing, and also leave a comment of what things I should try and improve next. But don't give me the big farms, okay? I'm not that good at redstone. But anyways, I will also link the design to this automatic dropping system because this isn't my design. It's designed by Cube Hamster. So I will link this in the description. But anyways, thanks for watching,